Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and assembling the Posture Executive Leather Office Chair. It should be a premium and comfortable chair, and that's perfect for anyone who using this chair for home, office or any workspace. As you can see, the chair comes securely packaged in a large box and everything should be inside. Let's dive in. Forgot to mention the price. The retail price for this chair is around £200. That's including VAT. I purchased this chair on eBay and it was 20% discount. To be honest, I think it comes around £167 in total and including delivery, which normally on eBay free delivery. We can see the armrests is on the top, and they all wrapped up and finished with chrome and feel a bit premium, to be honest. These are some of the tires. This is tires. And this is an extra like accessories. It's just like a bolts and screw, whatever. And these are the backrest, which is aluminum support basically built in, and this one seat base. It's all well wrapped. It looks very premium, to be honest. Let's put them down and see what else inside. And this is the heavy duty chrome base. It looks solid and stable. And this is the wheel screw gas lifter mechanism. You have to follow the instruction. That's the instruction. This is the main one. We're going to put it in here. And the second one, the plastic. There's the 3 plastic bits coming out like that. So you're going to put it here and leave it like that. Secondly, we have to attach this to the cushion. As you can see, it says first step. It says the legs, which is the tire of the legs, the leg tires, but we can do that later because it's gonna be moving. So I don't want at the moment nothing is to be moved, so that one you can attach them later. And as you can see, it says main, that's the jack, and that's the plastic bit, and secondly this is the cushion, same cushion, and this one is the adjuster and the screw number 4. So we have screws here. Okay, we can find out which one is screw number 4. Okay, so we got all the screws in our hand. I need to find out which one is the 30 millimeters, and what we need here. Stop again. This is the sitting cushion. So in here is indicated, it says front, so front, and this is front. So we're going to put it that way, as it says front and front. So what we have to do now, attach the 4 bolts. So 1, 2, stop again. Secondly, we're gonna attach the main and back one. So we have to do going to be attached to here. As it, yeah. So as you can see, so the second one would be attached to here, and it's easy peasy. Yeah. How we do it is easy. So we all need turn around. Sorry. Viene. Okay, so what we have to do now, we need to attach this for bulb, and that's it. Job's done. And then, okay, there's now attached. So once we attached, we're gonna do the arm. As you can see, this is the arm. So this is the arm. You can clearly see the metal there. It comes to the front, and this bit goes to all the way back here. Okay, there's now attached. So once we attached, we're gonna do the arm. As you can see, this is the arm. So this is the arm. You can clearly see the metal there. It comes to the front, and this bit goes to all the way back here. The chair is ready. This is the chair. That's how it looks like. And there's the box. And there's the chair. You can clearly see all the details. This is the wing. The stars, I attached them at the end. Simple. Very simple. Gonna sit on it. The chair is ready. This is the chair. That's how it looks like. And there's the box. And there's the chair. You can clearly see all the details. This is the wing. The stars, I attached them at the end. Simple. Very simple. Gonna sit on it.